very lovely evening. It's been a pleasure coming to ITA. Shashi Ranjan called me as a guest with my daughter Anmol, and बहुत से बच्चे, there are many young boys and girls who sang some songs.
Yeah, immense talent here in this academy, and it's so beautiful to hear them all sing.
And I personally felt that, India is such a great country. Recently, just 2 days back, you've noticed the amount of success Sakshi, Deepa and Sindhu have, and they've brought glory to the country. And I said, I've always been saying, and I'm now maintaining this, east or west, India's daughters are the best. I have 2 daughters, so I know the emotions you'll understand. And today when I saw the girls, young boys singing, I also felt there's so much talent all around us, and ITA is trying its best to encourage great talent.
Anmol, आप proud feel करती हैं being a daughter,
Oh, absolutely. No, I absolutely feel very, very blessed that Anuji is my dad. I get to ask him for advice. But there's also a sense of responsibility because I know I have to work very hard to live up to the expectations of everyone. I loved coming to ITA today because I saw a lot of talent. I saw a lot of young people out there working very, very hard. And it's very promising for the Hindi music scene. So I'm very excited about that.
अनु सर, देश बदल रहा है, मानते हैं जिस तरह से महिलाएं आगे जा रही हैं.
देश ज़बरदस्त उन्नति की ओर भाग रहा है, और महिलाओं के बारे में आप जो कहना चाहते हो, मैं इतना कहना चाहता हूँ कि जिस जज्बे से सिंधु ने सेमीफाइनल के बाद फाइनल जो खेला है, आई वुड से ऑफ कोर्स क्रेडिट दीपा से भी नहीं ले सकते आप, ना साक्षी मलिक जिसने पहला ब्रॉन्ज लेके आई, लेकिन साक्षी मलिक वहाँ भी मलिक ही है ना. ये अच्छी बात है, बट हाँ भी आप समझे आप. लेकिन मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, जब मैंने सिंधु को खेलते हुए देखा ना, मैंने आज ये अनाउंस भी किया कि मेरा जज्बा टू कम अप एंड लाइफ बिकेम मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर. आई टेल यू व्हाई. आई एम इंस्पायर्ड बाय द 3 girls who have brought glory to our great country India, and this is just the beginning. और हमारे देश की बेटियां हमारे देश को और आगे लेके जाएंगी, and I am praying for my 2 daughters also and all the daughters of the country to prove that east or west, India's daughters are the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks.
चलो ready?
सर, आईटी के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Good evening, my name is Rohit. I'm running this franchise here of ITA for last 1 year now, and ITA is basically into singing, dancing, acting and personal development. This is one of the most organized sector that we have right now here at ITA, where we give training for professional singers, actors and dancers. If you look at entire Bombay today, you would not find such a complete structural training curriculum that we offer in ITA. We basically want to give chance to young talent. We want professional way of understanding the entire model of singing, acting and dancing. Again, I'm repeating that because these are these major verticals that we're working on very closely. It's been fantastic. The talent has been really very nice. Today, Anu Malik ji was here. Last week, we had Alka ji. Prior to that, we had Rup Kumar Rathod. We had Sonali Rathod. We're expecting Anup Jalota also here. The only institute basically which has a pan-India presence with 7 centers, and we are going up to making beyond 10. But we also try and ensure that all our singing students get exposure with the celebrities, and wherein they would come and they would understand the nuances of singing and technical aspects to the entire verticals. That is how IT is different from any institute that offers in Indian market today. I wish all the best to IT and to myself, and the way forward we would want to just keep on growing in leaps and bounds. Thank you so much.
Who is the inspiration and what is the message to the youth?
See, the message to youth is that you keep trying. There is no replacement for hard work. Success will not come easy. There is no gain without pain. And my mentor, my guru is Dhirubhai Ambani. I worship him from bottom of my heart. That's about it. All the best to everybody out here. Okay, if you have it, just go out, kill it, showcase your talent, and get your job on your talent, not on influence. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks so much.